Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming Windows and driver status. Make sure updates are installed so changes apply correctly. Once done, open Settings, choose System then Display, or right-click the desktop and pick Display Settings. You should note current resolution and scaling percent so you can revert if needed. Now, reduce variables. Disconnect extra monitors or set them to mirror mode temporarily, because one display testing eliminates confusion and speeds up troubleshooting. Next, change the resolution to the monitor's native setting. That preserves sharpness and correct aspect ratio. If UI elements are too small, increase scaling to 125% or 150%, which enlarges text and icons without lowering resolution. Conversely, if things look blurry after scaling, try standard DPI steps or fractional scaling carefully, sign out and back in to commit settings. Make sure to test apps. Some legacy programs need compatibility tweaks in Properties Compatibility to render correctly. Finally, apply the settings that balance clarity and usable workspace. Use display adapter properties to add a custom resolution only if native options fail. Once set, verify normal operation across apps and create a restore point so you can undo changes quickly. If artifacts or black bars appear, update or roll back the graphics driver and retest, or boot safe mode to isolate driver problems. If scaling breaks an app, use its compatibility DPI settings or run it in high DPI override. This often resolves mismatched rendering.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.